Hi. So this is the embryo transfer embryo transfer procedure which is done for this couple. So their history, the husband is 40 years old and the wife is around 37, and they are actually from other part of our state. And with a lot of trust, they had come here for this IVF procedure. So you can see these are the blasts which are formed. So we did the embryo transfer, and now it's a good news is it has come as positive. So uh, the beta HCG values had come around 800 for them. So they had become positive. So we are also very happy. With a lot of trust they came, and we thank God for this blessing.